Hello guys.
Hello, and welcome back to our channel. So we continue our huge unboxing of different items, and we never know which one where, and it's so many collaboration propositions. So only when we open, we know what each is there. So let's see what each is there, which one of open of them. And
Natalie, please close your eyes. Close. Yes. Okay. One moment.
let me pick this.
Okay.
Oh, something smaller. So let's see what
Okay.
is here.
Oh.
Wow! I see this package. Oh my gosh! It's my favorite berlock. I already worked with them. They sent me already few items before. It's the best bikinis.
Wow.
Bikinis, guys. Are you ready for bikinis?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to see.
Wow, it's bikinis.
Oh. Wow.
Berlock. Look at this package. It's so classy how they make. This is inside of bags. Special logo brand prepared. And beautiful.
Wow.
So let's see. Wow. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Watch that.
Oh my god.
Watch that. It's so beautiful. Давай, глаза контакт. Wow.
Wow.
That's incredible.
And what's that? What's that?
Мне надо,
Oh.
всегда надо вот так вот.
I want to try it.
Wow.
I want to try it.
This is actually, this is like a dress on top of bikini, which one you put together with. And it's not just dress for walk, it's dress for bikini. So, which is you'll try and which I will try? Let me know and let's go to try.
And
Давай, you go to try red, right?
this one and this one
Yes.
together.
Yeah, you go to try.
Wow! I will try.
I will
it.
try this.
I will try it.
And
I first. I first.
давай.
Okay.
So, you go to try and I will show you a little bit the fabric and explain you the details of items. What we have over here. First of all, I want to tell you a little bit about this is blue stylish textile. It's recycled polyester fiber. It's not just piece of textile which one you can get everywhere. It's special recycled fiber product material, polyester. Because sometimes polyester which one destroy ecology system, but some kind of polyester which one take care of ecology system. That's what it's exactly take care polyester. That's how it looks. Have little bit push up. Armature over here, metal. All the way around your bikini has little metal textile. Here is like velvet. If you see very close, it's kind of velvet. It's not just blue and white. This is blue and white with fabric velvet. And that's the same what I want to show you. Watch that in bikini. It's part of down of your body. That's how it looks from behind.
В купальнике и в юбке.
Да, и туда сразу к стенке, далеко, близко подходить нельзя. So this is bikini made with two textile. One textile is protected your body to feel excellent from when it's get wet, and another textile is more for outside to look beautiful. So one textile for comfort inside of your body, and outside it's for looks beautiful. Here has special brand etiquette from brand Berlock. It's one of the best, most favorite ever I ever get. Recycled nylon produced by Xinsen Technology. Xinsen Technology, it's a special fabric exclusive technology. You can research in Google. It's recycled product. So if you throw it away to garbage, guys, it will never destroy ecology. It's take care of ecology. And remember, every your purchase of bikini from Berlock, it's meaning that you take care of ecology, because they will never produce kind of lingerie bikini of everything without take care of ecology. Produced here fabric 95% recycled polyamide. 97, guys, only try imagine. 97% recycled polyamide. and 7% spandex. Maybe this bikini a little bit more expensive than as average, you know, but at least you take care of ecology. Here has some top.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay, давай.
Microphone.
She forgot microphone. Yeah, it's always. And also together with this bikini has top. I go to try, and after you let us know which one is.
Are you ready?
Wow, that's so beautiful! Oh my gosh, just take a look. You can go to restaurants like that. Seriously, that's so cool. Короче, близко к камере не подходила, там что-то рассказываю на расстоянии. Сейчас
I think it's very wonderful sea costume. I like it. Oh my god. Watch this. Very nice quality, very comfortable. Oh my god, I feel like fish. I don't know. Wow. What do you think about this? I think it's very beautiful. Very nice color. This is classic red, and I think it will be my favorite.
Watch that.
Watch that. Watch that. Wow. Watch that, please. It's very nice quality. It's very nice. Oh my god. I dream about this dress. Then I dream visit some Asian country, for example Thailand, Bali, and I want dress this one. I think it will be wonderful, and I want make many photo. Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Watch this, please. And what do you think about this dress? Do you like? It's very interesting. What do you think? I think it's very nice. Very nice. Wait, painting. Oh, Natalia! Oh!
It's open. I'm not sure if it's a good idea to show. I will like, I don't know, like shy. Okay, maybe I stay like
wow! I want to try it too. Wow! You have a very nice.
Yeah, and after we can change and try on the next video.
Yes, I want it.
So I'm gonna stay a little here.
Yeah.
From this side. Here it's like 3 items pieces in this bikini. Here has one bikini piece just under here. It's like white and blue. Подожди, микрофон. 1 second. I'll be back.
She will come back so soon because Natalie forget microphone like me. Oh, Natalie, come back.
So here is things. It's like I already showed you, like махровая mohair special bikini and underwear with a dress, so you can walk in beach and don't worry about water take you, because this is gets dry super fast. You just get your water and dry immediately. But like my opinion, that kind looks kind of average, you know, it's like kind of average. Those one looks like oh my god,
Legend red.
that's so cool. That's so cool. I wish I can come back to a vacation right now with this item. It's just insane how cool is that. And let us know your opinion. How do you think which is better and more elegant? I'll show you how looks here items. It looks a little bit like that textile. It's special color. And how to показать же бикини так, чтобы не показывая. And that's how it looks.
I think it's very nice.
I think this very nice.
I think it's
I think yours better, kind of, no?
yes.
Okay, maybe next video we try of different from each other. See you next video. Bye.
Bye bye. See you soon.